cooking just got a serious upgrade. Welcome to the top 20 incredible kitchen gadgets on Amazon that are changing how everyday meals are made. From smart tools that save time to futuristic gadgets you didn't even know existed, these finds are all about making your kitchen faster, easier, and more fun. Stick around till the end, because some of these gadgets are next-level upgrades you'll wonder how you ever cooked without. Number 1. IMUSA Manual Citrus Lemon Squeezer. Brighten up your kitchen routine with the IMUSA Manual Citrus Lemon Squeezer. This compact tool effortlessly extracts juice from lemons, limes, and oranges, making every meal burst with freshness. Forget messy hands and wasted juice. This squeezer gives you every drop with minimal effort. Perfect for dressings, cocktails, or morning beverages. It's sturdy, easy to clean, and built to last. Limited time deals mean now's the moment to grab this must-have gadget. Click the link in the description before it's gone. Number 2. SAYZH Stainless Steel Dish Drying Rack. Upgrade your sink area with the SAYZH Stainless Steel Dish Drying Rack, designed to keep your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Its durable steel construction resists rust while providing ample space for dishes, glasses, and utensils. With a sleek, modern look, it enhances any kitchen aesthetic. Easy to assemble and clean, this rack prevents water pooling and keeps your countertops spotless. Don't miss out, these are flying off the shelves. Click the link in the description now to secure yours and enjoy effortless drying every day. Number 3. Vminno Hot Air Popcorn Maker. Popcorn lovers, rejoice! The Vminno Hot Air Popcorn Maker delivers light, fluffy popcorn without oil, making it a healthier snack option. Its rapid air circulation pops kernels quickly while keeping your countertop clean. Perfect for movie nights, parties, or a quick snack. It's compact, easy to store, and simple to clean. Don't wait. Limited time availability makes this deal hot. Click the link in the description to grab your popcorn maker today and transform every snack moment into a fun, crunchy experience. Number 4. Sweet Glass Olive Oil Sprayer Bottle. Elevate your cooking with the Sweet Glass Olive Oil Sprayer Bottle, perfect for evenly coating salads, veggies, and meats. Its stylish glass design looks elegant on any countertop while offering precise spraying control. Save calories and avoid messy pouring with this smart, eco-friendly gadget. Ideal for everyday cooking or entertaining guests, it ensures flavor consistency in every dish. Supplies are limited, so act fast. Click the link in the description now to get yours and enjoy effortless, mess-free oiling every time you cook. Number 5. Aihomo Stainless Steel Meat Tenderizer. Make every meal restaurant quality with the Aihomo Stainless Steel Meat Tenderizer. This durable tool easily breaks down tough meat fibers, ensuring tender, juicy results every time. Ergonomic handles provide comfort, while the stainless steel design guarantees long-lasting performance. Perfect for steaks, chicken, or pork, it saves time in the kitchen and enhances flavors. Don't wait until it's gone. Grab this essential cooking tool now by clicking the link in the description before stocks run out and take your dishes to the next level. Number 6. Genuine Fred Dragon Microwave Steam Cleaner. Keep your microwave sparkling clean with the Genuine Fred Dragon Microwave Steam Cleaner. This powerful gadget loosens grime and food buildup in minutes using steam, eliminating harsh chemicals. Its compact design fits any microwave, making cleaning effortless. Perfect for busy households, it saves time while keeping appliances hygienic. Limited time deals mean you shouldn't wait. Click the link in the description to secure yours today and enjoy a cleaner, healthier kitchen with zero scrubbing hassle. Number 7. MIKULA Stainless Steel Mixing Bowls Set. The MIKULA Stainless Steel Mixing Bowl Set is your all-in-one kitchen solution for prepping, mixing, and serving. Durable stainless steel ensures longevity and rust resistance, while a variety of sizes accommodates every recipe. Perfect for baking, salads, or marinating meats, these bowls are stackable for easy storage and dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. Don't miss this must-have kitchen essential. Limited stock is available. Click the link in the description to grab your set and elevate your culinary creations instantly. Number 8. Circle Joy Rechargeable Milk Frother. Turn everyday coffee into a cafe-quality experience with the Circle Joy Rechargeable Milk Frother. Whip up creamy froth in seconds for lattes, cappuccinos, or hot chocolate. Its rechargeable design makes it portable and convenient, while easy cleaning ensures mess-free use. Perfect for home or office, it transforms your morning routine effortlessly. Stocks are limited. Don't wait to upgrade your coffee game. Click the link in the description to get yours today and enjoy barista-style drinks anytime, anywhere. Number 9. Gorilla Grip Garlic Press and Peeler Set. Peeling and mincing garlic has never been easier than with the Gorilla Grip Garlic Press and Peeler Set. Crush cloves effortlessly with minimal effort, and the silicone peeler ensures mess-free handling. Durable, ergonomic, and dishwasher safe, it's perfect for everyday cooking. Whether you're making sauces, marinades, or stir-fries, this set saves time and enhances flavor. Limited availability means act fast. Click the link in the description now and elevate your cooking efficiency today with this genius kitchen tool. Number 10. KongNai Collapsible Silicone Funnel Set. Streamline pouring and storage with the KongNai Collapsible Silicone Funnel Set. Its flexible silicone design allows easy transfer of liquids, powders, and grains without spills. Collapsible for space-saving storage, it's perfect for small kitchens or on-the-go use. Durable and heat-resistant, these funnels handle any cooking or baking task effortlessly. Stocks are limited, so secure your set now. Click the link in the description to upgrade your kitchen efficiency with this practical, innovative gadget and say goodbye to messy pours forever. Number 11. Feppo Rechargeable Mini Bag Sealer. Seal freshness with the Feppo Rechargeable Mini Bag Sealer. Keep snacks, cereals, and leftovers perfectly airtight to extend shelf life and prevent waste. Compact and lightweight, it's portable and easy to use for any kitchen or travel situation. Quick sealing and rechargeable convenience make it ideal for busy households. Don't miss out. Limited time availability means grab yours today by clicking the link in the description and ensuring every snack stays fresh, flavorful, and ready whenever you need it. Number 12. Thermo Pro Instant Read Meat Thermometer. Achieve perfect cooking every time with the Thermo Pro Instant Read Meat Thermometer. Its fast, accurate readings eliminate guesswork, ensuring meats are cooked to perfection without overcooking. Ideal for grilling, roasting, or frying, its compact design fits any kitchen or grill setup. Easy to clean and highly durable, it's a must-have for cooking enthusiasts. Limited stock available. Click the link in the description now to secure yours and take the stress out of meal prep with this essential gadget. Number 13. Chopzilla Vegetable Chopper and Slicer. Save time and effort in the kitchen with the Chopzilla Vegetable Chopper and Slicer. Effortlessly slice, and julienne vegetables with precision and speed. Its compact design fits neatly in any drawer, making cleanup simple and storage hassle-free. Perfect for healthy meals, salads, or stir-fries, it enhances efficiency and ensures uniform cuts every time. Supplies are limited. Click the link in the description now to grab this versatile kitchen tool and transform your meal prep into a breeze. Number 14. CanSlab Ultra Blade Electric Can Opener. Open cans effortlessly with the CanSlab Ultra Blade Electric Can Opener. Its powerful motor and sharp blade make even the toughest cans easy to open. Designed for convenience and safety, it reduces hand strain and mess. Perfect for busy kitchens or those with limited hand strength, this gadget is a game changer. Stocks are limited, so don't wait. Click the link in the description to secure yours today and enjoy effortless, safe, and quick can opening every time you cook. Number 15. YDKGL Non-Slip Kitchen Floor Mat. Enhance comfort and safety in your kitchen with the YDKGL Non-Slip Kitchen Floor Mat. Its cushioned surface reduces fatigue while standing and prevents slips on wet floors. Stylish and easy to clean, it adds both practicality and elegance to your cooking space. Perfect for busy households or long cooking sessions, this mat improves daily kitchen life instantly. Limited time offer. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and create a safer, more comfortable kitchen environment today. Number 16. Vminno Heavy Duty Ice Cream Scoop. Scoop ice cream like a pro with the Vminno Heavy Duty Ice Cream Scoop. Its sturdy, ergonomic design makes serving ice cream, cookie dough, or melons effortless. Built to last with high-quality materials, it reduces hand strain and ensures perfect scoops every time. Ideal for families, parties, or desserts on the go. Limited availability means you need to act fast. Click the link in the description now to elevate your dessert game and enjoy smooth, consistent scoops every single time. Number 17. Siokami Asian Cleaver Chef. Knife slice, dice, and chop with ease using the Siokami Asian Cleaver Chef knife. Crafted with precision steel, it delivers razor-sharp cuts every time. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfort and control, reducing fatigue during extended use. Perfect for vegetables, meats, and herbs, this knife is a versatile kitchen essential. Supplies are limited, so grab yours now. Click the link in the description to bring professional quality cutting performance into your home kitchen instantly. Number 18. SAYZH Fergie Silicone Cooking Spatula. Flip, stir, and serve with the Fergie Silicone Cooking Spatula, your versatile kitchen companion. Heat-resistant, non-stick, and ergonomic, it's perfect for baking, frying, or mixing. Safe for all cookware, it prevents scratching and enhances durability. Lightweight yet strong, it offers excellent control for precise cooking. Limited stock is available, so don't hesitate. Click the link in the description now to add this essential tool to your kitchen and enjoy effortless, precise cooking every day. Number 19. Last Confection Stainless Steel Dough Blender. Make baking a joy with the Last Confection Stainless Steel Dough Blender. Perfect for cutting butter into flour, mixing pastry, or preparing dough, its ergonomic design ensures comfort and control. Durable stainless steel guarantees long-lasting performance and easy cleaning. Whether for cookies, pies, or pastries, this tool streamlines prep work efficiently. Limited time offer? Click the link in the description now to secure yours and take your baking skills to the next level effortlessly with this smart kitchen gadget. Number 20. Shizo Stainless Steel Grill Basket Set. Upgrade your grilling with the Shizo Stainless Steel Grill Basket Set. Perfect for veggies, seafood, or small cuts of meat. It ensures even cooking and prevents food from falling through the grill. Durable stainless steel construction resists rust and makes cleanup simple. Ideal for BBQs, camping, or home grilling, it's a must-have for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to grab this set and elevate your grilling game today with unmatched convenience and efficiency. That's a wrap on the top 20 incredible kitchen gadgets on Amazon. Grab these must-haves now before they sell out and transform your kitchen into a cooking powerhouse. Click the links below. Don't miss out.